Hey guys, it's Tony. How you doing today? I've got some exciting news and I wanted to share with you. And when I told my wife about it this morning, she just kind of looked at me like, "Why is this a big deal?" But I explained it to her and I said, "I've been waiting for this for a very long time." And that news is that Wise has now allowed US account holders to have a debit card again. And that is huge for expats and people who are living internationally and need to move money around and spend money using a debit card in other countries without transaction fees. So for those who aren't aware, Wise is a international money transfer service. Think about like if you had an account with your bank and you wanted to transfer money to another account or someone else in a different currency, you can do that, but you're going to pay really high transaction fees. And the difference between the currencies, that rate is going to be pretty steep. What Wise is they allow you to be able to transfer money between about 40 different currencies. So traditionally, you can have an account. Let's just say you've got money in a US bank account and you want to move it to money in a Mexican bank account. You could do that using Wise and save a lot of money exchange rate. You can also do that transferring money from one account to another, but again, there's the exchange rate you have to deal with and the fees. Wise opening this back up to US account holders is a game changer because now you can go to a different country, you can move money from, let's say, your US account or Canadian account into Wise. And you can immediately say, okay, I want to exchange this money to euros, or I want to exchange it into Mexican pesos as an example. And then when you're in that country, you can use the Wise debit card for spending in that currency. Or if you can go to an ATM and withdraw money in that currency and not have to worry about transaction fees or the exchange rate being high, transferring it into, let's say, or using a foreign bank account. To do this, all you got to do first is, and this is not in a video that talks about how to open up a Wise account or anything like that, but what I did notice is when I went into my Wise account, you now have the ability to order a debit card. So if you have a Wise account, I would recommend going in and you don't have a card, you can now go in and you can order a debit card, have it shipped to you. You can also request a virtual card, which allows you to be able to add it to your phone. So if you have Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can now use that virtual card as well on your phone or for online orders or anything you might want to do and not have to worry about carrying around a physical card. I hope this news was exciting for you as it was for me. And now I encourage you to hit the road, go visit other countries and not have to worry about the exchange rate, not have to worry about dealing in different currencies and making sure that you have enough money in that currency. That one Wise card, that debit card, will handle everything. Like, subscribe. Again, I appreciate everybody who has followed this channel to continue to do so. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.